Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Ina and today I'm here with another video for you, and today I'm going to review my favorite acne fighting vitamins. They're actually vitamins. So here is this vitamin. It's called DIM and it is very cool thing where it has a compound that is found in cruciferous vegetables, cabbage and Brussels sprouts and broccoli. Why this product is quite an amazing is because it really clears your skin from the inside out, and it fights acne on your cheeks and your jawline. And the reason I don't have any makeup on or like today for this video is because I want to show you that I do get acne. Recently, this has been a long time since I ever had acne right here, and that's usually my problem area, and my cheeks. I have a lot of acne scars from them, but I have not drank this for a long time. We're talking about a year or so. But what I could tell you that I have, I really wanted clear skin for my wedding a year ago, and I took this for 3 months straight. 3 months straight. And it really balances your hormones in like a next level, because it gives you so much power. Like even what foods you used to be sensitive to, you're not for like the longest time, because I used to have a lot of acne on my cheeks, and only like a year later I had big ass cystic acne right here, and I'm like, it's time to balance my hormones, because I am very bad with my diet. Unfortunately, I eat a lot of sweets, and I'm really working on it. I am really working on it. This year is gonna be my year where I really cut down on that sugar. But in the meantime, if you have cystic acne and hormonal acne that is here and here, this is your lifesaver. Honestly, literally your lifesaver. I don't know if it works for everybody, but it works so good on me, on my end. And I am sensitive to dairy. Not sensitive like body wise. I get acne. I don't feel any different. Like my stomach doesn't, that nothing happens if I eat dairy. I love it. My body takes it. It's not like I'm sensitive, but it comes out through my skin. I have a lot of acne if I eat a lot of dairy and sweets and whatnot. So today my high recommendation is this. What I could tell you about this, take it like like take it for a month, 2 or 3. So it will actually work on balancing your hormones for a long run, because kind of the longer you take it, the longer you will have clear skin and nothing is gonna happen. And I really love that, because this is natural. This is natural because it's broccoli, it's cauliflower, it's all the cabbage stuff. If you can, I would say, if you can eat this every single day, you will have clear skin. Just add black pepper. This has black pepper, and it's good. It's actually good for your hormones, black pepper. So if you can eat all these vegetables to clear up your skin, you can. I just cannot eat it on a daily basis or in a big amounts. That's just me. So this is another best. It only costs like $15 on I'll link the place where I got it from down below, so you guys can try it out. And what I would say about this one is try breaking the pill in half when you first start, because it gives you a headache. It can give you a slight headache. So you want to kind of work yourself into that pill. I mean, half a pill, and then just take one a day, and it's fine. You won't get a headache every single day when you take it. But I am going to start on this too. I'll probably gonna take this for a month again to balance my hormones as best as I can, because this is the only product that actually works. Literally, no topical can fix this unless you fix your hormones, and this is vegetables. So I would highly, highly, highly recommend for anybody who's struggling with hormonal acne, and that covers the cheeks and the jawline. And give it a try and comment below if that actually really, really helped you. I really want to save the world with this vitamin, because I cannot recommend highly enough. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you like it. Subscribe to my channel and comment below, and I will see you in the next video.